What is up? I have my friends coming over and I'm making sushi burritos for all of us. And I decided to go ahead and show you how I do it. I use a pressure cooker to cook my rice, and we are making sushi rice for the sushi burrito. You will need a measuring cup. In this case, I'm gonna make 2 cups. And this is just long grain rice, white rice. Throw it in there. Okay, so now we have 2 cups of long grain white rice in our pressure cooker. Now I'm gonna add just a sprinkle of vegetable oil, and then you need this rice vinegar. For every cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. The seasoning, I do season my rice after it's cooked. So we're gonna leave this to cook in here. It should take about 15 or so minutes depending on your pressure cooker. So the rice is done. Sounds like you're playing a video game. And you have perfectly cooked rice. Okay, so now we have to season it. I add pink salt and garlic pepper. This is the best. So all you have to do is literally like pick it apart. And it becomes fluffy. Since we are making sushi, you have to let it cool down. If not, it's gonna be too hot to handle. And it will basically melt the nori sheet. On to the next step, making the sushi. So here you're gonna lay down the rice on the nori wrap nice and flat. And then next you're gonna add your ingredients. I have put imitation crab sticks and cucumber, and now on for some hot Cheetos. And then we're gonna add some avocado, just a few slices in there. Now cream cheese. And next, a little bit of sriracha just to spicing it up just a little bit more. And there you have it. So next we're gonna roll it. So basically like a little taco. So the 1 inch that you left on the nori wrap, that is so it can grab onto the other side, like so. And there you have it, a sushi burrito, nice and compact. And that is my video making DIY sushi burritos. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you want to see more from me, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.